Hey, what's up? I have been working for the past I don't know 20 minutes maybe, and I've come up with this pretty cool game. I feel like it's real simple. I mean, you can look at all this, but it's not like anything important really. It's just that much. Um, I'll just show you it. It's real simple. There. Now you see that yellow square? Sorry. That yellow square is actually a bird, obviously. And those green bars on the top and bottom, those are pipes, if you can't tell. Oh, I died. That's crazy, isn't it? It does speed up. Why is it so out of focus? What the hell? It does speed up. I'm just bad. Anyway, yeah. I came up with this game, maybe half an hour ago. I thought of an idea for it. So I was like, yeah, I could probably code that. How hard could it be? So I just kind of did. I don't think it's all that impressive, though. I don't think, anyone would actually play it or be upset if it got, deleted. You know? It's just kind of meh. You press the spacebar because I figured clicking on the screen would be annoying and hard and difficult and tricky and not that fun. Let's see how far I can go, actually. I think I have beaten it. There is a set, maximum. Oh, speeding up a bit. Yo, the game? This is now a gaming channel, yeah. Used to be whatever, now it's purely gaming. What games? My games. The ones I invented, 20 minutes ago. If you can see, gravity is actually pretty clean. I feel like this is one of the cleaner implementations of gravity that I've managed. Oh! 47! I think it's 50. Damn! That hurts, actually. Let's see. What is the max? Jump E. E? Oh. What is number? Height? Number of jumps, I think. Dad, obviously, yeah. 120. Nope. It's actually 120. That's how many points you need to win. Never mind. I was not that close, but I have beaten it before, 10 minutes ago when I made it. I beat it. It's real easy. It wasn't anything all that special. It wasn't even that fun, really. Oh, yeah, I called it beating colon cancer. Because, 5 minutes ago, my friend, whose name is Colton, texted the group chat. Was like, yo, what's up? I just made this game. And I was like, I can make that but better. And that's what happened. That's the history of it. That's the deep lore implications for beating colon cancer. Let's try it again, honestly. That was fun. You can click off right now, though. This is just gonna be me again, I think. Back at it again. You can see my dress back there. Okay, one more time. There's nothing, more to say. I mean, it jumps, it goes up like 3, I think. Yeah, judgment dresser all you want, you nerds. At least I have one, you sweaty ass looking bitch ass motherfuckers. Living with a mattress, not even a full bed, just a mattress. On the floor. No TV stand, just on the floor. It functions, but at what cost? You can hear upstairs, probably. I don't know what they're doing up there. Something that involves a lot of noise, for some reason. Okay, I am popping off right now. Okay, I thought I was going to die, and then I just didn't, because I'm just so good. You've got to be kidding me. Oh, I know I'm close. I know I'm so close. Oh! Not actually. Never mind. It's a long game, isn't it? At least there's an end and a point to it, you know? Can't imagine. Anyway, see ya. Good game.